Have you noticed how, despite living in the most comfortable time in history, so many men walk around unhappy, restless, and frustrated? My friend, it doesn't add up. We've got technology, opportunities, and more convenience than our fathers and grandfathers ever dreamed of. Yet here we are, miserable. Why? The truth is uncomfortable, but you need to hear it. Modern life is built to make you comfortable, not fulfilled. And comfort doesn't equal happiness. In fact, it often steals it. Think about it. Entertainment on demand, food at your doorstep, dating with a swipe of your finger. It's easy, it's instant, and it's empty. Comfort without struggle robs you of purpose. A man without purpose is like a sword that never sees the whetstone. It dulls until it's useless. Or worse, it becomes a decorative wall hanger from IKEA. Then there's the script society hands you. Go to school, get a job, grind for promotions, buy the shiny toys. Supposedly, this leads to happiness. But here's the joke. It doesn't. All it does is keep you running on a hamster wheel. You don't need another raise to fill the void. You don't need the newest iPhone that's only slightly different from the last one. You need meaning. And last time I checked, meaning doesn't come with a warranty and a financing plan. But let's not let ourselves off the hook here. Many modern men sabotage their own happiness with habits that numb instead of build. Constant scrolling, junk food, porn, endless distractions. It's like duct taping a leaking roof. Sure, it hides the problem for a while, but when the storm comes, your living room is still underwater. And then you sit there wondering, why do I feel anxious, drained, and lost? Gee, I wonder. Here's the emotional truth. Deep down, you know you were made for more. That nagging feeling of dissatisfaction? That's not depression talking. It's your soul trying to shake you awake. Unhappiness is a signal, not a sentence. Ignore it and you stay stuck. Face it and you get to rebuild. So what do you actually do about it? First, clear the junk. Audit your daily inputs. How many hours are you burning on social media, cheap dopamine, and habits that give nothing back? Cut them down ruthlessly. When you stop drowning your brain in constant noise, you finally give it space to breathe. That clarity alone will feel like taking off a backpack you didn't realize weighed 50 kilos. Second, add struggle back into your life. Yes, struggle. Lift heavy things, take cold showers, learn skills that frustrate you, start projects that scare you. Why? Because men are wired to grow through challenge. Struggle isn't punishment, it's fuel. Every rep in the gym, every page you write, every moment you refuse to quit, it sharpens you. That's where fulfillment hides. Nobody ever told a story about how they sat on the couch and scrolled Instagram for 6 hours straight, except maybe as a horror story. Third, build real connections. Not likes, not comments, actual relationships. Find people who challenge you, support you, and call you out when you're slipping. Brotherhood. Without it, life feels empty, no matter how much success you stack. With it, even the struggles feel meaningful. And spoiler alert, texting your buddies once a month doesn't count as brotherhood. Modern life offers you comfort, distraction, and mediocrity wrapped in shiny packaging. Don't take the bait. Happiness isn't found in the easy road. It's found in the road that tests you, stretches you, and forces you to grow. So stop settling for numb comfort. Choose purpose, choose struggle, choose growth. Because at the end of the day, my friend, men aren't built for endless comfort. We're built to rise stronger through the fight. Don't just exist, live fulfilled.